In this video we will find the integral of sine 4x. So this can be written as sine integral of sine square x to the power 2 dx, because sine square x to the power 2 is sine 4x. Now we know that cos 2x is equal to 1 minus 2 sine square x, and this expression can be written as 2 sine square x is equal to 1 minus cos 2x, and then sine square x is equal to 1 minus cos 2x upon 2. Now we will put 1 minus cos 2x upon 2 in place of sine square x over here. So we have integral of 1 minus cos 2x upon 2 whole square. Now we can now we can write this integral as 1 minus cos 2x to the power 2 upon 2 square dx. Now 1 minus cos 2x whole square can be expanded with the help of this formula: a minus b whole square is equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. So we have integral of 1 minus 2 cos 2x plus cos square 2x upon 4 dx. Now we will break this fraction in 3 fractions. So we have 1 upon 4 minus 2 cos 2x upon 4 plus cos square 2x upon 4. Now we will apply this integral on these 3 terms. So we have integral of 1 upon 4 dx minus integral of 2 cos 2x upon 4 dx plus integral of cos square 2x upon 4 dx. Now we can write this 1 upon 4 in front of the integral. So we have 1 upon 4 integral of dx minus, now this 2 and 4 will be cancelled out. So we have 1 upon 2, and that 1 upon 2 can be written in front of the integral. So 1 upon 2 integral of cos 2x dx plus, now this 4 which is in the denominator can be written as 1 upon 4 integral of cos square 2x dx. Now we have to find that what is the value of cos square 2x. So we will use the formula cos square x is equal to 1 plus cos 2x upon 2. So we will put 2x in place of this x. So we have cos square 2x is equal to 1 plus cos 2 times 2x, because we have put 2x in place of this x, so we have to put 2x in place of this x2. So cos square 2x is equal to 1 plus cos 2 times 2x upon 2. So cos square 2x will be 1 plus cos 4x upon 2. So now we can put 1 plus cos 4x upon 2 in place of cos square 2x in this integral. So now the integral will be 1 upon 4 integral of dx minus half integral of cos 2x dx plus 1 upon 4 integral of 1 plus cos 4x upon 2 dx. Integral of 1 upon 4 integral of dx minus half integral of cos 2x dx plus, now this 2 will be multiplied by this 4. So we have 1 upon 8 integral of 1 plus cos 4x dx. Now we have 1 upon 4 integral of dx minus 1 upon 2 integral of cos 2x dx plus 1 upon 8 integral of dx plus 1 upon 8 integral of cos 4x dx. Now we have 1 upon 4 integral of dx is x minus half integral of cos 2x is sin 2x divided by the derivative of this 2x, which is 2, plus 1 upon 8 integral of dx is x plus 1 upon 8 integral of cos 4x is sin 4x divided by the derivative of this 4x, which is 4. Now after some simplification we have 3 upon 8 x 1 upon 4x plus 1 upon 8x is 3 upon 8x minus 1 upon 4 sin 2x plus this 8 will be multiplied by this 4, so we have 1 upon 32 sin 4x plus c. So the integral of sin 4x is 3 upon 8x minus 1 upon 4 sin 2x plus 1 upon 32 sin 4x plus c, where c is the constant.